It's day one of you learning Turkish, and by the time you finish watching this video, you will confidently engage in a clear conversation using Turkish words that you will find yourself repeating all day because of a unique style that you haven't seen before. So, let's start. On a rainy day, you enter a coffee shop alone. You start thinking that nothing is better than a cup of coffee in this weather. Since you're learning Turkish, you start thinking of the words in Turkish. Remember, this is a very important step to think in the target language. The first Turkish word that we're going to learn is inspired from Esther. Esther is your daughter. So you have a daughter called Esther. And every day you tell her to clean her room. Esther, I want you to clean your room. Esther, I want you to clean your room. So, how do we benefit from this story? The word istiyorum means I want. I want. So, Esther, I want you to clean your room. Esther, your room. Esther, your room. Your room, it's here. Your room. We just fix it a little bit, twist it. Your room, your room. And Esther, we twist it to ist. İstiyorum. Esther, I want you to clean your room. İstiyorum. So whenever you want to say the word I want in Turkish, remember the story of Esther. Esther, I want you to clean your room. Your room. So istiyorum. Esther, your room. Esther, your room becomes istiyorum. İstiyorum. I want. Now, we've learned the word istiyorum. Esther, I want you to clean your room. İstiyorum. What about the word coffee? Coffee in Turkish is kahve. It's very close to the English word coffee, kahve. Coffee, kahve. Coffee, kahve. So, istiyorum from the story of Esther, and the coffee is kahve. Now, if you know, or now maybe you know, that in Turkish the verb comes at the end of the sentence. The verb comes at the end of the sentence. What's the word for I want? Esther, I want you to clean your room. Your room. Esther and your room will become together. We have to imagine we're living in our own world. Just make up stories and make up words. So, Esther, I want you to clean your room. İstiyorum. What do? I put the verb at the end of the sentence. İstiyorum. What's the word that we learned for coffee? It's very close to the word coffee is kahve. Kahve. So you say kahve istiyorum. I want coffee. Kahve istiyorum. I want coffee. Remember the stories behind the words. Kahve istiyorum. Excellent, you've learned your first simple Turkish sentence. We're not done, we have a lot to learn. Now, I want to say, I want a coffee. I want a coffee. One coffee, a coffee. Remember, we're living in our own world. Just imagine situations, sentences, words. No one will judge you. What's the story behind a? You go to your friend and tell him what you found behind the door. So you tell him, I opened the door and saw a deer. A deer. I opened the door and saw what? A deer. A deer. So the word a means we're going to take the word deer and twist it a little bit, change it. Deer becomes beer. So deer, beer, deer, beer. Beer means a, or it also means one. So I opened the door and saw a deer, beer. A deer, beer. We twist the word deer and put letter B, beer. Now we know that coffee means, yes, you have to say it. If you don't say, you will not learn. You have to try to pronounce it. So say it first and then I will say it. Coffee means kahve. Excellent. Coffee means kahve. I want to say a coffee. A coffee. What's the story behind a? I opened the door and saw a deer. A deer. Deer, twisted to be, change D to B becomes beer. Beer. So I say a coffee is what? Bir kahve. Bir kahve. Let's repeat. What's the word of I want? Esther, I want you to clean your room. Esther, I want you to clean your room. Ist your room. Ist your room. Istiyorum. We twist it. We change it. This is our learning process. No one will judge us. Do whatever you want. Istiyorum. Esther, I want you to clean your room. Istiyorum. Now, what's the word for coffee? Yes, you have to say it. Kahve. Kahve. Kahve istiyorum. Kahve istiyorum. Excellent. Great job. Now, what's the word for one or a? I want a coffee. I opened the door and saw a deer. A deer. So the word for a is beer. Beer. Bir kahve istiyorum. Bir kahve istiyorum means I want a coffee. I want a coffee. Do you still remember the stories behind these words? İstiyorum, Esther. I want you to clean your room. Kahve is coffee, same as in English. And beer, I opened the door and saw a deer. A deer. So it's beer. Excellent job. I'm very proud of you, especially if you're repeating after me and saying the Turkish sentences and words too. You have to do that. You have to tell me in the comments section. Are you repeating them or not? I'm waiting for your comments. Now we'll continue. We're not done. We have a lot to learn. Let's say the waiter is confused about the size of the cup of your coffee. Is it this small size? Is it that small size? So you should tell her. You should tell her, I want a cup of coffee. Not just any coffee. I want it in a cup, which is this one, right? So this is tea, I want. But who cares? It's our lesson. It's our way of studying, right? We do whatever we want. The waiter is confused. And you have to tell her, I want a cup of coffee. Oh, let's see the story behind the cup. Okay, the story is that you have a little brother called John. His name is John. And he's lost. Your mother tells you, find John. Find John because he's lost. You have to find him. Find John. You search and you look around the house. Finally, you see him sitting on a table with what? With your cup. With your cup. So John has your cup and your mother is telling you, find John, find John. Finally, you found him with your cup. So the word for cup is very close to what we have here. Fincan. Fincan. Remember, in Turkish, the letters are pronounced differently than in English. So we have to twist the words that are in English so that we get the right Turkish word. Fincan. Find John. Fincan. Fincan means cup. Let's repeat. We have to repeat a lot because I have to double check if you're listening and repeating after me. I want. What's the word? Esther, I want you to clean your room. Esther, I want you to clean your room. İstiyorum. Excellent. You have to say it before I put it on the screen. Okay. Coffee is what? Yes, you have to say it. I can hear you. Kahve. Excellent. I want coffee. Kahve istiyorum. Kahve istiyorum. Now let's open the door and see who's knocking on the door. It's the deer, right? So I opened the door and saw a deer. A deer. So a means beer. Bir kahve istiyorum. We're not done. We want to add the word cup. Find John. Find John. You finally found him with your cup. So find John. Fincan. Fincan. Bir fincan kahve istiyorum. So now you've said a complete right Turkish sentence with just few minutes of listening to this video. I congratulate you, but our lesson is not done because we have other stories to tell. Now, after you find your cup with your brother, you tell your mother, I'm going to China to drink tea. I'm going where? To China. To do what? To drink tea. So you like to sit and go to China and sit and drink your own tea. So the word for tea is chai. Chai. China. So you're going to China to do what? Drink your tea. Chai, China. China, chai. Same, right? And I'm sure by now you know how to say the following word sentence. I want a cup of tea. How do you say it? First, I'm going to start with I want. Esther, I want you to clean your room, right? So it's istiyorum. Then we put the word tea before it. You're going where to drink tea? To China. Çay istiyorum. Excellent, bravo. Now, I want a tea. It's up to me. I want to say I want a tea. Who cares? It's none of anyone's business. I want a tea. What did you see behind the door? I opened the door and saw a deer. A deer. So deer, move the D, put a B, it will become beer. Beer. Beer. You have to say the sentence. I'm going to say it. Yes. Beer. Çay istiyorum. Excellent. I want a tea. Now, let's add. I want a cup of tea. I want a cup of tea. Find John. Find John. Remember the story? Bir fincan çay istiyorum. Great. This is so great. I'm very happy that you're still watching till now and you have learned your second sentence, complete and right Turkish sentence. Are we done? No, we're not done. We have to learn more and more, right? Now, because we are polite people, of course we're polite, right? So we have to say please. I want a cup of tea or a cup of coffee, please. Let's see the story behind please. You have a friend called Finn or Finn, doesn't matter. So you have a friend called Finn. He's not looking at you. Maybe he's upset from you. You tell him, please, Finn, look at me. Please, Finn, look at me. Now, of course, we're going to use the words Finn and look for our word. Look, Finn. You're telling him, look, Finn at me. So it'll be lütfen. Lütfen. Fan is the same as his name, Fan, but of course the look, we're going to twist it. Instead of saying look, we say lüt. Lütfen. Lütfen. Lütfen, look at me. Okay? Lütfen, please look at me. So the word please means lütfen. Now here I want you to pay attention that this letter, we don't say it as lütfen, lütfen. No, it's not that. It's ü, lütfen. Lütfen. Okay, the word please means lütfen. Of course, remember the story behind the word lütfen. You tell your friend Fan, please Fan, look at me. Please Fan, look at me. Now let's see if I want to say I want a cup of coffee, please. You have to tell me the sentence. I want a cup of coffee, please. I want, we said. Esther, go clean your room. İstiyorum. Coffee is what? You have to say it. Raise your voice. Kahve. Kahve. I want a cup. Cup. What does cup mean? We're finding John. Fincan. Fincan. Finally, the word beer or the word a is yes, as you can. Still remember it's beer. I opened the door and saw a deer. I opened the door and saw a deer. Bir fincan kahve istiyorum lütfen. So look Fan at me. Fan, look at me. Lütfen. And when I want to say tea, where did you go to drink tea? To China. To China. Bir fincan çay istiyorum lütfen. Bir fincan çay istiyorum lütfen. I'm so glad you have made it that far. If you're still listening to the video, watching the video, we're not done yet. We have to learn more. But before that, subscribe to the channel and please like the video if you are getting some benefit out of it. One last time to review our words before we go to something new. I want is what? You have to remember by yourself the story. I want. İstiyorum. Coffee is what? Kahve. Raise your voice, you have to say it. Ah means what? Ah. Bir. Excellent. Cup. Cup. What's the story behind the cup? Try to remember. Cup. Fincan. Find it, John. Fincan. Now you went to China to drink what? Tea. Chai. Chai. The word that shows politeness, which is please. What's the word for please in Turkish? Lütfen. Lütfen. Lütfen. Fen, look at me. Lütfen. These were the words that we learned today. And the sentences that we learned today are, you have to say the first one with the coffee. I want a cup of coffee. I want a cup of coffee. Bir, yes, continue. Fincan, yes. Kahve. İstiyorum. Lütfen. The second one with the tea. Where did you go to drink tea? In China. Bir. Fincan. Chai. İstiyorum. Lütfen. And make sure you're repeating after me when I'm saying the words so that you get used to the pronunciation of the letters, especially the new ones like the chai, che, and lütfen, the ü. Lütfen. We're not done yet, don't close. The Turkish word of milk is süt. Üt. Süt. Süt. Now challenge yourself. How do you say I want milk or I want a cup of milk? Drop your answers in the comments section below and stay tuned for the next video because we're going to learn sentences and words related to süt and other dairy products, and of course new words and sentences with new stories to remember them.